Here you go. Right now I'm trying to take apart this cartridge. Right now it ain't going too well, but let me see if I can get this thing going. Alright. I got my pliers and gloves over here, and let's hope it doesn't blow up. So here I go. Got protection. I heard a lot on YouTube that things will explode, and I highly do agree, so that's why I'm backed up over here. So what I'm going to do is grab it like this. See, it said it supposedly works, but guess I'll just rip off the nose. Well, that's a fail. Got a piece of the iron right there that's actually a penetrating source. So now it's just a dull flat edge, which I didn't want. But yep, this ain't coming out very well. I'm trying pretty good too. I'm trying to wiggle it loose like I've seen on YouTube before. Well, looks like something else happened here. The bullet bent in half, and this is a 30 Winchester round, standard, pretty basic. Didn't go as planned, but here it is. I actually got the black powder right there. Bullet broke in half. So all I'm going to do is get on a piece of paper, if I can find one around here. Set this baby down. You don't want this to spill anywhere, because once this catch fire, everything's going to explode or have a huge explosion. Here we go. This will have to do. Now this is a 30 Winchester round, so the grain is going to be very high. Gunpowder. See that? Heavy grain. Heavy grain gunpowder. Alright, well, this is my video.